Good afternoon. My name is Drew Newcomb. I'm a member of the South Haven Fire Department. I'm an ex-chief. I'm here for the final inspection of our Typhoon Custom Pumper. The city of South Haven is a small town. It's a mile square with about 10,000 residents. We have 4 engines and 2 ladders. Traditional pumper that's going to replace the 35-year-old pumper that we have right now. We have some restrictions. We are on the end of we're on the far end of town, and we have some obstacles that we have to deal with, like the hole in the wall. It's a long tunnel that this is just going to be able to fit through. Other pumpers weren't able to fit through it. All right, and our firehouse is from 1893. Our firehouse is the ages, and it's a very short firehouse, so we had a length problem, which this takes care of. Our Typhoon pumper has a 1500 GPM pump. It's a 2-stage. Due to the length of the truck being only 29 feet, we needed a deep hose bed because we do a lot of supply with our hose lane, and this will come in with a 1,000-foot 5-inch hose, 400-foot of 2.5, and 400-foot of 1 3/4 attack line. When you see it up front, instead of for pictures, it's totally different, and coming down for the final inspection is something you have to do. And I was very impressed with E-ONE's factory. They took me for a tour, and I seen the whole process from, pumpers, ladders, rescues, whatever they make. It was very interesting. Well, when we started the process, we actually, got like 5 different companies to come in and talk to us about, our specs and stuff like that. But E-ONE was the one that we that came through, and they fit all our needs with the length problem and our width problem. So that was why we went with E-ONE. We had our sales. Chris and Tony were great to deal with because they pretty much sat down with us through the whole process and worked with us.